man. If I was around 5 years ago, I'd probably be in the pen. Cause every motherfucker wanna step out of in at your house with some roid raging boys and a gun in your mouth. And now to shot you little bitches to go viral for an hour. Yeah, my papa passed away and then the family lost the house. It was a struggle for the bills, I was hungry to survive. If it came down to it, I was checking your ride. And I still do the dirty work if it means staying alive. Cause for bad or for worse, I'm the one who provides. I don't talk, I don't tell, I don't snitch, I just ride. These boys yelling out loud, thinking they ride deep, until I grab that big machete and go creep through the creek. I wish a motherfucker would beef with me for a week. You come get Jeffrey Dahmer punk and disappear in the air of a tree.
I hear the sound on the water. I see the bird in the sky. I feel the sun getting hotter. But I just wanna know that I'm still alive.
Many a night I wrote just to write. Spent years digging in, making sure I didn't sound alike. Now I'm on my delivery, getting dollar bills, focusing my energy and trying not to swallow pills. Yeah, I'm playing it in prayer. Spent time in silence and realizing something's there. So pretty please bring a diss track. I leave with love, but God's wrath is what you'll get back. And I'm not even bragging, but I'm plugged in, son. My higher power is a dragon. Drake is feminine, Birdman is a faggot. A sword fight can't create life, God won't have it. And I ain't no homophobe, Uncle Tommy died of AIDS. He was my faith, queer as a 14 of spades. So if you're feeling triggered, maybe you should take some days off. Read a couple hustlers and see if that shit pays off. Idolizing bitch boys cause daddy was gone. Nice men French kissing, calling hubby on the microphone. Preach! Biggie would not be proud.
I hear the sound on